A wonderful and a bright day to each and everyone. Allow me to introduce myself. I am John Roy Marfil Auxiliada, but you can call me Teacher John for short. And I earned my bachelor's degree in education, major in social studies at University of Southern Mindanao, Kidapawan City Campus. I am a licensed professional teacher, a civil service eligible, and an in situ holder in computer system servicing. In addition, I had the opportunity to serve as a volunteer teacher during the National Learning Camp in my beloved alma mater here in the Philippines. My mission as a teacher is to make each one of you feel important, heard, and empowered to shine your brightest. I'm truly excited to become part of your learning journey, and I can't wait to meet you all very soon. Once again, have a great day and God bless everyone.